Another beautiful day here in Arkansas. We are actually headed out to Hot Springs, Arkansas, to one of our favorite pizza places here. It's called Rod's Pizza. It is dang delicious. Gonna take you guys on our journey today. It is a beautiful ride to Hot Springs. The temperature feels so good today. There's, look, random porta potty, just random. Hope you guys enjoyed the adventure with us. This house here, it just has a pet pig in their front yard. It was out, there it is. And I know we've talked about this before, but there's our snow cone stand that we love. Frosty Tropics. My favorite is the wedding cake with extra cream. Russell's favorite is the cotton candy, which both are so good. Can't go wrong with either one of those, but of course mine's better. This is it's called the Salem Dairy Bar. Oh my gosh, you just want some old-fashioned hamburgers and shakes and malts and everything out of there is so good. Love that place. I love the cheese tater tots. Yum. Everybody's out cutting their grass today, and golly, those winter onions that pop up. Ugh, that stench is in the air right now. Ugh. I do not like onions. I hate them. I hate the smell. I hate the taste. I hate the texture. Russell's the same way, thank goodness, so we just don't buy them. And the stench is in the air today. Ugh. Hopefully it'll get better. It is a nice day to mow your grass, though, I must say. I'd rather be on the bike, though. They've recently added this roundabout, maybe 6 months ago. It's a pain. It worked before, they just needed a red light here. But that's what was voted in, so there you go. Oh, and two, this place here has, oh my gosh, delicious chicken on a stick. One of my favorites. Of course, minus the onion. I just pick it off. We're getting ready. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. We're going to have a cookout at the lake. Just my family. Hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff. And of course, stupid here, I forgot the lettuce yesterday. So I got to go back to the grocery store. Yay. And pick that up. But that's the only thing I forgot. I'm doing good. Bunch of people getting their car washed today. Terrible potholes through here too. And why is it when you see a Walgreens, there's a CVS almost every time? Crazy. Again, above my pay grade. Ow. Little bump. Oh, is that yellow truck right there? Yes, it is. That's a Ford Ranger. All you TikTokers. I think that makes number 8 we've seen today. And if you don't know about the Ford Ranger, get on TikTok. You'll learn all you need to know. It's kind of the running joke in family now. We have to count them. Oh my gosh, I see rods. Yes. I will check y'all in a little bit. I'm hungry. Peace out. Too sad. Wonder what they're sad about. Nothing to be sad about in the vet except the payment. Oh, I declare that's another Ford Ranger right there. It's on the beginning of May. Can't imagine August. Seems like every year it gets hotter and hotter. Oh, look at the dog. Oh, precious. Oh, yeah, we got a real loud muffler there. It's more like beep beep. Not vroom vroom. Now that was vroom vroom. Goldwing's not so much. But you know what? I'm comfortable. I'd rather be comfortable than loud. Yeep yeep. Ooh, there's some go-karters out. Looks like they're having fun. Oh, there's more Ford Rangers. They're everywhere. And here's Oaklawn. That's what I was telling you guys about earlier. This has a horse race track and casino. Got a hotel built there. I'm assuming it's open. We haven't been in it. But the horse races used to be so much fun. I used to crave their hot dogs from there. Something about them makes them, oh, so good. We can see a peek of the track. It's off season now, so the horse races aren't going on. But there's the track. You can kind of see. It's funny, when I'd go, I bet on the names. I didn't really look at the spreadsheets or whatever you call them, tip sheets, I think. Nah, I just like the name and I'd bet that way. Didn't do me much good, but we had fun. There's a Ford Ranger. Now we're getting into downtown Hot Springs. A lot of pretty buildings. A lot of people come down here for Hot Springs for the water. If you bring your jugs, you can fill them up for free. Where's the shaved ice? Oh, it's hidden back there. Downtown Hot Springs has a variety. You can get you a tattoo. You can go to the French Quarter, totally adult cabaret. Never been there. And there's no telling what we're going to see down here. Probably a calm day now that I've said it, but you just never know. It's always a adventure. And this is downtown Hot Springs. Hey, I was telling you earlier about the water you can fill up. That's what they're doing right there. They bring their own containers and jugs and stuff. Ooh, I think he wants to race. We've eaten there before. It's pretty good. This is what they call Bathhouse Row. This is where you can go get your massages and... Ooh, he's in a hurry. Anyway, you can go get your massages, and there's a place here where I like to get my cider, beer, whatever it's called. It's pretty good. We just really like to go people watch. You never know what you're going to see. Never. There's Superior Bath. That's where we have my little cider beer. Russell doesn't drink hardly ever, and I don't either, but every once in a while I like to have one of those good cold pear ciders. I'm in sensory overload. I have my headphones on, talking to you guys, and one behind me is playing some kind of music. I hope it's good because I really can't hear it. And then we have pipes. Now this is the Arlington Hotel. Al Capone Suite, if I'm not mistaken. It's on the 3rd floor, and it's one of these inn ones, which hopefully you can see it here in a minute. He had a corner room. I think it's right through here, but don't quote me. It's awesome. A lot of history here. There's the duck. Well, that was pretty cool. And we're back at Oaklawn. Oh, there's another duck. It's kind of like Ford Rangers. Just kind of see them everywhere. Over here, we are headed to get gelato. I tapped him on the shoulder and said, let's go.
Look at this. We got old fish.
It was either iced coffee or gelato. I'm feeling gelato today. You can get coffee anywhere. Gelato not so. Oh, they're having fun. Is it? Is it? Yes, it is. We didn't see anything too crazy today down on the strip. Of course, we just did one loop. So what's y'all's favorite flavors of ice creams and gelatos? I'm not a chocolate fan. I can leave that. I like vanilla, but I like the fruit. I like orange sherbet and lemon and all that good stuff. Hopefully they have something new we haven't tried. You see there's always a bunch of traffic here, especially on Saturdays. I like to come during the week when we're not working. It's not near as busy. But we'll take what we can get when we're out riding. There's La Hacienda. A lot of people like to eat there. Our favorite here is Don Juan's. We'll have to take another trip, take you guys there. I love their tacos, and they always have the best avocados. Never had a bad one there. And this is our gelato place. All right, we'll catch you in a few. Delicious. I got a scoop of mango and a scoop of raspberry. Refreshing on this day. That was the pig that's just been popped up probably 2 weeks ago. We started seeing it out in the yard. We're going to drive back by it here in a second. Now I've nicknamed this pig up here Wilby. So sometimes you hear me say Wilby. Not every day you see just a pig just hanging out in the yard. I guess that's its guard dogs. Dogs protecting it. That is hysterical. That's a big fat pig right there. Oh my God. You are precious. Oh, I want to pet it one day. And we are home sweet. Oh, home. Little dip. Anyway, home sweet home. It was a safe and great ride today. Now it's off to take that GMC to the airport. Peace out.